Hello my little unicorns and welcome back to another video, and today we are going to prove the myth of the frozen fox of Jamaa to see if it is real. So is this myth real? And I personally think it is and is not. So today we are going to prove that fact, and this is what the frozen fox of Jamaa would look like. So, what they would do, what the jammer would do is they would look up a player. Let's use my friend RedClaw545 here, and go to their jamograms, and they would say, the frozen fox of Jamaa. And they would add a gift that has something to do with ice, like an ice chair, and they would add it to the jamogram and they would send it. So that's what they would do, and personally I think that this could be real, but you know, it could not be, and this is what the frozen fox of Jamaa would look like. I dressed up just like it for this video. So yeah. Anyways, we are going to prove this fact as we go to Aldan. And there are a lot of haters in Aldan. So, what you would ask is the frozen fox of Jamaa real? And to prove this fact, we enter and wait for someone to answer. Apparently no one pays attention, so we're not going to answer. So, we're not going to say it again because I need to get on with this video so we can prove this fact. And in other words, we need to go somewhere else. Oh, there's no one in here. I need to go somewhere with people. Can't go. What the? Whatever. Anyways, let's go. We need to move on. This skedaddle. What is that word? Anyways, we are going to be moving on into this video. Just moving on. Here we are in the land of Jamaa. So yeah, we say it again. Is the frozen fox of Jamaa real? And we wait for someone to answer. Okay, so I heard a lot of no's and a lot of yes, but that doesn't matter now. But we need to be told that it is true. So we need to move on from this fact and get somewhere else. Because, well, personally, we need to find out if the fact is true. And that's what this video is about. So, what you do is you keep asking. Is the frozen fox of Jamaa real? And now we wait for an answer. Okay, so in this area, I only saw like one no. So far, the proving of it is real is here today, almost. But we have to go through one more theory. We have to go to 2 more places to find so many more yeses than nos. This might take a while. Okay, so here I only saw an even sort of amount because some people didn't answer. But I zoned out for a second. I'm sorry. I'm just really tired. I need to take a nap. So, is the frozen fox of Jamaa real? We have to go to one more place to be proven, but it has to be filled with yeses. And if not, then we are wrong. And if so, we are right. So let's test that theory and see the results. In 3, 2, 1, enter. Boom. Let's try that again. In 3, 2, 1, enter. Boom. No. And now we wait for an answer. Okay, so as you can see, a lot of people came in like a giant group. So, yeah, but the people who were there before all said yes. So apparently, this myth right here, is to be real. Real, 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 real. So, this myth is apparently real. So, what I would like you to do down below for today is maybe get a little bit of likes up in here and maybe some subscribers, please, for all that means. And for what I need, I want you to comment down below if you think this myth is real. So far, I think yes, but the story only continues. But time will tell. Thank you, little unicorns, for coming back to another video, and I will see you so soon. Bye-bye!